coming in of the Uttar Pradesh police that has come under criticism and ridicule on social media after their personnel was seen doing the impossible in Ghaziabad. Videos have gone completely viral showing this policeman using a mobile phone to scan people by touching their back. Now, this is a citizenship verification check, such as checking documents like passports or biometrics like Aadhaar, but the policeman was using a mysterious machine, a mysterious way that claimed to give the address of a person's place of origin simply by touching their back.
बांग्लादेश के तो नहीं हो?
नहीं सर, यहाँ
नहीं, झूठ मोल मशीन पकड़ने वाली को दिखाओ, मशीन लगाओ भाई इनकी पीठ पे।
हाँ तो उधर को दिखाओ, उधर को
मशीन लगाओ इनकी पीठ पे। बोलो कहाँ के?
बिहार के सर।
बांग्लादेश के मशीन तो बांग्लादेश बता रही है।
बिहार जो की हाथ अररिया जिला।
कौन है बांग्लादेश का?
यहाँ सिर्फ अररिया जिले।
बांग्लादेश के तो नहीं हो?
नहीं सर, यहाँ
नहीं, झूठ मोल मशीन पकड़ने वाली को दिखाओ, मशीन लगाओ भाई इनकी पीठ पे।
हाँ तो उधर को दिखाओ, उधर को
मशीन लगाओ इनकी पीठ पे। बोलो कहाँ के?
बिहार के सर।
बांग्लादेश के मशीन तो बांग्लादेश बता रही है।
बिहार जो की हाथ अररिया जिला।
कौन है बांग्लादेश का?
Anushka, my colleague joining us. Anushka, what kind of a bizarre citizenship check this is, and take us to the reactions coming about?
Viral video, the SHO of Kaushambi district was seen conducting a citizenship check on a man by placing a mobile phone on his back. Now, he can also be heard saying in that video that the machine is showing that this man is a Bangladeshi, while the slum dwellers have said that the man whom the police personnel scanned was from Bihar's Araria. The incident is from 23rd of December. Senior officials have also taken note of the viral video. Sources have said that the police haven't given us haven't given a statement, but have taken note of the incident. Also, we are seeing that the internet has exploded with memes and jokes on the police officers' actions. Many people sought to know more details about this high-tech device that can be used to declare a person a foreigner simply by holding a mobile phone on their back. Now, some people have criticized the police officer for misleading the poor people. Meanwhile, the Ghaziabad police and the CRPF conducted search operations in Ghaziabad to look for illegal immigrants. They checked identity cards and questioned suspicious people. Now, this is a drive that has been long going in Ghaziabad district, and we have seen that the video that is of 23rd of December showing the SHO of Kaushambi district, in fact, looking for people, and in fact also saying them that this phone is placed on the back of the people will, explain if the person is from Bangladesh or not, and that is how this video had in fact gone viral, and we are seeing several criticism coming on the internet as well. Over to you.
Right, Anushka, of course, just by touching the back is, that citizenship check that this man is conducting, the policeman. This is a very bizarre kind of a check, by touching the back and getting information. And actually, in the video, one can hear, asking if the person is from Bangladesh or not. And these are the kind of checks that are being carried out in the state of Uttar Pradesh. And of course, people reacting to that, particularly on social media.
As we have rightly mentioned that this was something that is kind of impossible, and the police official who was explaining to people that if the machine touches the back like some supermarket barcode, it will reveal whether a person is from Bangladesh or not. Also, we are
right. All that thought, we have Congress leader Surinder Rajput with us. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking with us here on NDTV. Your reaction to this citizenship check that is taking place in Uttar Pradesh. Your reaction.
भाई, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के और योगी आदित्यनाथ जी के यशस्वी नेतृत्व में हम लोगों ने एक ऐसी डिवाइस पैदा कर दी है, शायद नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने और योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने, जो पीठ पे लगा देने से ही पता चल जाता है कौन आदमी विदेशी है, कौन घुसपैठिया है, कौन नहीं है। तो मोदी जी को और योगी जी को इसके लिए नोबेल प्राइज के लिए आप लोगों को नामित करना चाहिए। किस तरीके की ये लोग काम करा रहे हैं अपनी पुलिस से, किस तरीके का करा रहे हैं, हिंदू मुसलमान कराने के लिए इस तरीके के झूठे छल कपट प्रपंच कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि मुख्य मुद्दों से इन्हें ध्यान हटाना है। जो जिस तरीके से SIR ड्राइव से इनको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है, तो अब इस तरीके की हरकतों पर उतर आए ये लोग। बांग्ला भाषियों को बांग्लादेशी बोल रहे हैं, बिहारियों को बांग्लादेशी बोल रहे हैं, और जिस तरीके से भारतीय जनता पार्टी जो कह रही है वो पुलिस काम कर रही है। अगर ऐसी कोई डिवाइस आई है तो हम रिकमेंड करेंगे कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी को नोबेल प्राइज मिल जाए इस डिवाइस के लिए। फिर इतने दिनों से हमारे यहाँ घुसपैठिए हैं क्यों? इतना झूठ ये सरकार बोलती है, इतना छल और इतना भ्रम पैदा करती है। ये सरकार लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था में अपना भरोसा खो चुकी है।
सर, आपका रिएक्शन, ये जो बैक पे टैप करके ये सिटीजनशिप चेक कर सकते हैं, आपका क्या रिएक्शन है? ये जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज कर रहे हैं, मोबाइल फोन से पता चल सकता है कि अगर आप बांग्लादेशी हैं कि नहीं।
यही तो कह रहा हूं मैं आपसे कि अगर ऐसी कोई डिवाइस हो गई है तो नरेंद्र मोदी जी को इस डिवाइस का इन्वेंशन के लिए नोबेल प्राइज मिलना चाहिए ना। आप और हम दोनों रिकमेंड करें मोदी जी को और योगी जी को कि भाई ऐसी डिवाइस आपने यूपी पुलिस को दे दी है, जो डिवाइस जो है पीठ पे लगाते ही चेक कर लेती है। और ये डिवाइसेस तो अगर इन्होंने बनाई है तो फिर सारी जगह पे होनी चाहिए, फिर उसके बाद घुसपैठ क्यों है यहाँ पर? 11 साल में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है, फिर ये घुसपैठिए क्यों नहीं निकाल पा रहे? हमने तो अपने 10 साल के शासनकाल में 88,000 घुसपैठिए निकाले थे, इन लोगों ने तो 5,000 भी नहीं निकाले। ये हिंदू मुसलमान कराने के लिए एक साजिश कर रही है भारतीय जनता पार्टी अपने पुलिस बल के साथ मिलकर के। इस तरीके से लोगों को प्रताड़ित करना, गरीब लोगों को तंग करना, बिहार के लोगों को, बंगाल के लोगों को बांग्लादेशी कहना, ये देश के लिए अपमानजनक स्थिति है। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के शासन में पुलिस जो है इस तरीके का जो काम अपने नागरिकों के साथ कर रही है और अपने नागरिकों को अपमानित कर रही है, ऐसी निकम्मी सरकार को रहने का कोई हक नहीं है।
राइट, थैंक यू सो मच सर एनडीटीवी से बात करने के लिए। अनुष्का स्टिल विद अस। अनुष्का, ऑफ कोर्स, गेटिंग अस डिटेल्स ऑफ व्हाट्स रियली हैपेंड. If you can play up that video once again to just show our viewers as to what is really happening in this bizarre video.
बांग्लादेश के तो नहीं हो?
नहीं सर, यहाँ
नहीं, झूठ मोल मशीन पकड़ने वाली मशीन लगाओ भाई इनकी पीठ पे।
हाँ तो उधर को दिखाओ, उधर को
मशीन लगाओ इनकी पीठ पे। बोलो कहाँ के?
बिहार के सर।
बांग्लादेश की मशीन तो बांग्लादेश बता रही है।
बिहार, यूपी, हाट, अररिया जिला।
कौन है बांग्लादेश का?
यहाँ सिर्फ अररिया जिले।
बांग्लादेश के तो नहीं हो?
नहीं सर, यहाँ
नहीं, झूठ मोल मशीन पकड़ने वाली मशीन लगाओ भाई इनकी पीठ पे।
हाँ तो उधर को दिखाओ, उधर को
मशीन लगाओ इनकी पीठ पे। बोलो कहाँ के?
बिहार के सर।
Singh of the BJP joining us as well. Thank you so much for speaking with us here. Your reaction to this device, a mobile phone that can be tapped on anyone's back and that will give information as to where you're from, your address and those kind of details. And this is what the Uttar Pradesh police is claiming. Your reaction?
My Ram Ram to all. And, when a police or any of the agency, when they do queries, so that can be done on different verticals, all right. So one of the vertical is the psychological factor as well. So might be and they might be questioning, they might be, there are different ways just to check whether the person is from our own country or...
tapping a device on the back, how is that connected?
See, this is what I am saying. You are simply, directing a device, how anybody can put a device on the back or tap on the back and come to know whether the person is from this nation or from some other country. The thing is, as I said, when inquiries are being done, they are done on different verticals, and one of the vertical is the psychological. So the best person to ask this question is the SHO who is inquiring. But I know one thing, that they are not harassing the person. They are simply asking. This might be the psychological factor, just to ask them.
It seems like this fear that's being created. I mean, they might not be harassing people, but of course, fear would be created with people just with the SHO there reaching out to this particular area in Ghaziabad, not too far from the national capital. This is the NCR region, where an SHO is demanding to know if the person is, and to know the address of the person, if the person is from Bangladesh or not.
So what is wrong in that? If he is asking if somebody is from India, from our own country, Bharat, then that person doesn't have to fear about. But if that person is illegally here in this country, then that person... he should not or she should not fear about it, but definitely.
But ma'am,
the survey is going to be conducted and the proper steps will be taken to send them back.
Ma'am, what kind of technology is being used that you can tap someone and get such details? I mean, the next is you tap someone's back and get to know the bank details. I mean, this kind of technology is really being questioned here.
See, I will sound repetitive. As I told you, the police person is not harassing the person. It might be the psychological way to ask the question, okay, I'm going to put this device on your back. It will tell whether you are from this country or from some other country. Is he slapping him? Is he torturing him? No. It might be, this is a way just to inquire. So this is what the police person is doing. I do not know that why this is being so
Ma'am,
much
retorting to such kind of tactics and that too by people in authority, what kind of message is that putting out?
Message is very loud and clear that if you are not from Bharat, then you do not have places, at least not in Uttar Pradesh.
Well, ma'am, given the fact that people there, of course, this man is saying he's from Bihar, but the SHO is insisting that the device is showing him he's from Bangladesh. That's kind of the pressure tactic that's being used by the SHO.
Do you think that anybody who is residing in a nation from Bangladesh or from any other nation, and if he or she is illegally, so if he is going to be encountered, that person is going to admit? That person
Ma'am, do you think this device can tell them where the person is from to begin with?
Again, I am going to say, how can you say that this device, perhaps this is the psychological pressure. Okay, you tell, I have got a device which can tell, so you tell yourself. Perhaps that is the way he was trying to conduct the inquiry. The main thing is that person is not being tortured. Why? It is just a chit-chat. It is the way he is just saying.